What's that? Oh, you want to learn how to start the LED neon sign dropshipping business? Well, I'm glad that you're in this video because today's video is all about how to find the right dropshipping signage supplier. So, we're going to get going. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get more info about the signage industry. What's up? I'm Tony, sales representative from LCSIGN. In the past 2 years, I've served more than 100 people, which is our client, to build their dropshipping business, and most of them earn more than $10,000 a month. No matter which platform you want to build your dropshipping business, for example, Amazon, AliExpress, Shopify, eBay, or your local store, a right signage supplier should make your business more easy and smooth. So next, I'm going to tell you 4 tips about how to find a right signage supplier for your dropshipping business. Follow me. Number 1, if you want to do dropshipping, you certainly would not want to communicate each order back and forth with your supplier. Then start the production, because the key is to save time, right? So a professional supplier would adopt Google Sheets. Here are the Google Sheets we created. Clients only need to fill in their design details and their shipping details so that we can send Sketch to confirm the order. Number 2, make sure your supplier quote really fast, because you wouldn't want to keep your potential customer waiting for too long. And thus, your supplier is supposed to be able to quote within 30 minutes and confirm the order. And that's exactly how LCSIGN always did it. Number 3, you definitely want to confirm the picture of the finished product before your supplier ship the sign to your customer. Because if the neon sign turns out not to be the same to your customer's requirements, it could cause complaints or even refund. That is no good to your business reputation. So, what we do is to send the photo of the sign before we pack it up to our customer for confirm. And then we'll pack it up, just like that. Number 4, last but not least, it would definitely be a lot faster to ship the sign directly to your customer from your supplier, and it also speed up the competition and save your customer. But you wouldn't want to let your customer meet your source supplier and say hello and thus ruin the deal. So we're gonna ship out the package directly to your customer with no any foreign language on the package. You know what I'm talking about. Now you know how to find the right supplier, let's do it. And if you're still looking for a supplier, actually LCSIGN is qualified to all the requirements listed. And all of our products are CE UL listed with 2 years of warranty on LED neon sign. Production time within 5 days, delivery within 10 days. Consultation are warmly welcome. And if you're recommended to this video by a sales representative, you may now resume to your conversation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.